In this video, I will try to show how to determine the daily bias before the market open. As you can see on my screen, I'm on a Webull trading platform and I have this 9 windows screen, and it shows the 9 charts. What I do early morning is I try to put the ticker that I usually trade in this window, and what I do is I'll try to see the how the trend is from 4 pre-market hour 4 a.m. also 9:30 p.m. So in this case I have the 15-minute chart open for each ticker symbol, and what I see is as you can see, I have a custom Webull indicator which automatically draws the pre-market high and low, which is this broken green line, and the broken red line, the thinner ones. Those are to show the pre-market high and low lines. The red line, the ticker broken red line over here, you see here, that's the previous day low. And if you come here, this thick green line, the broken one, that shows the previous day high. So this is previous day high, down here is previous day low, and the orange broken line, that shows the previous day close. So my trading is usually around these trend lines, these support and resistance lines. So in this case, from during the trading hour from 4 a.m. also 9:30 a.m. I try to see the 15 minutes how price action is trending. So in this case, let's say if we take SPY, because the price action is below the previous day close and below the previous day low, in this case I take a bearish bias towards trading SPY, and let's say it's similar with QQQ because it's below the previous day low and the previous day close. So to see something different, if we come here for Apple, it was trading at the previous day close and it's above the previous day low. So in this case, this should be, I consider this as a neutral bias, and I'll see what price action does at the open. So in this case, because Friday, March 27 was a bearish day all through the day, so everything shows bearish. So in this case, for Apple, I will see what the price action does after open, but in the other cases it's all bearish, and I'll just see what the price action does again at this key level. So for SPY, if you see here, it broke down below the pre-market low, and then it come and retested and come down. So that's one trade to take. In my case, I took the QQQ short trade over here. It broke the pre-market low and it comes up and tested, and also there was a VWAP, the white line. So those are a confluence for me, and I took a quick short down here. So if you like this video, and if you want to get a copy of the custom indicators, check the description below. Thank you for watching.